Третий класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Меня большая ферма. Часть вторая. Страница 74, 75, 76. English. Starlight 3. I have a big farm. Homework, parts number 2. Page number 74, 75, 76. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Paula and I'm your English teacher. Now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 74. 74. Exercise number 1. Read and match. Прочтите и сопоставьте. They're in a car and they're waving at us. We're riding on the log ride. I'm having breakfast with Tigger. This is me at Disneyland Paris. My mom is taking the picture. This is me at Elton Towers with my friends. Can you see me? I'm wearing glasses. In this picture we are at Movie World in Brisbane, Australia. We're looking at Tweety and his friends. The answer. This is me at Disneyland Paris. I'm having breakfast with Tigger. My mom is taking the picture. This is me at Elton Towers with my friends. We're riding on the log ride. Can you see me? I'm wearing glasses. In this picture, we are at Movie World in Brisbane, Australia. We're looking at Tweety and his friends. They in a car and they waving at us. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 75, 75. My world. Exercise number 2. What do these words mean? Match. Then read the text quickly and check your answers. Выберите, затем быстро прочтите текст и проверьте свои ответы. An eco club is a place where you learn how important animals and nature are. You can go dancing. Gorky Park is the best park in Moscow. It's a very big park and you can do a lot of things here. You can go to the Eco Club. There is a big garden, rabbits, parrots, and turtles in the club. In summer, boys and girls play volleyball and ride their bikes. During the winter, you can go ice skating or join in the conga, a kind of dance around the park. The answer. An eco club is a place where you learn how important animals and nature are. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Read the text and find the sentences that describe the picture. Прочтите текст и найдите предложения, описывающие картину. Gorky Park is the best park in Moscow. It's a very big park and you can do a lot of things here. You can go to the Eco Club. There is a big garden, rabbits, parrots, and turtles in the club. In summer, boys and girls play volleyball and ride their bikes. During the winter, you can go ice skating or join in the conga, a kind of dance, around the park. Gorky Park is a very exciting place to visit. The answer: you can go to the Eco Club. There is a big garden, rabbits, parrots, and turtles in the club. During the winter, you can go ice skating or join in the conga, a kind of dance, around the park. In summer, boys and girls play volleyball and ride their bikes. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Answer the questions. Ответь на вопросы. Is there a park in your town city? What can you do there? The answer: yes, there is. There are many parks in my city. It's summer. You can play volleyball and ride a bike. In winter, you can ski and skate. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Write about a park where you live. Draw sticker photo. Напишите о парке в том месте, в котором вы живете. Нарисуйте или приклейте фото. The answer: First May Park is one of the most beautiful parks in Nizhny Novgorod. You can do many things here. In summer, you can ride a train, play volleyball, or rent a bike and ride it with your friends. In winter, there is a huge skating rink. Many people love this park. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 76. 76. Exercise number 1. Which animals are farm animals? Look and say. Какие животные являются животными с фермы? Посмотри и скажи. The answer: cow, horse, chicken, sheep. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. What's on a farm? Look and choose. Что есть на ферме? Посмотри и выбери. Tractor, seal, turkey, carrots, tomatoes, bus. The answer: tractor, turkey, carrots, tomatoes. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. In groups, make your own farm. Present it to the class. В группах создайте собственную ферму. Представьте ее классу. The answer: I have a big farm. There are many cows and sheep on my farm. I like to help my grandpa with them. There is a beautiful garden too. My grandma has roses and tulips there. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn